In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photocopy scan lines effect in Canva. This effect can really add a vintage or a unique twist to your imagery, giving it that nostalgic photocopier look. So, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva by opening your web browser and navigating to the Canva homepage. Once there, you'll want to log in. You should see a login button at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. If you already have an account, proceed to log in using your preferred method. If your preference is Google, select your Google account from the options provided. After selecting your account, click on Continue to proceed. Now with all that logged in business out of the way, let's get back to the creative side. Open up your project within Canva. For this particular effect to really shine, I would recommend starting with a black and white image as it tends to convey that classic photocopy feel most effectively. Once you've got your project up, select the image you want to transform by simply clicking on it. With your image selected, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This will reveal a variety of options for modifying your image. From here, search for and click on Bad TV. This app will help us achieve the scan line effect we're going for. Among the different effects, click on Fuzz. This is where you start to see the magic happen. The Fuzz effect will give your image that beautiful, worn-out scan line effect, reminiscent of a photocopied page. At this point, it's essential to adjust the intensity and look of your scan lines to your liking. You'll find that Canva provides sliders or options that you can tweak to get your desired appearance. Once you've adjusted the effects to your satisfaction, it's time to save your work. Look towards the top right section of your screen for the Save button and click it. This will store your masterpiece, ensuring your changes are not lost and preparing your image for future use or sharing. And there you have it, your image is now complete with a stylish photocopy scan lines effect. You've successfully given your image a distinctive retro touch that's perfect for a variety of creative projects. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope it sparked some exciting ideas for your future designs. Enjoy creating with Canva.